Is that right, everyone? So in the last session, we have discussed up to insertion, deletion. Sir, if I want to get the information, retrieve the data by giving the account number, I just want to get the details of specific account number. Okay. See here, now I'm taking as a one more class, getting the details of particular record. The class we are taking, the class name display record. Same one, just like the previous case. All the required things I'm collecting from the previous one. Loading the driver, establish the connection. Loading the driver, establish the connection. Now, here it is. Now I want to retrieve the details, getting the information. That is, see here, how can we get the information? First, we need to ask enter account number. For that, select star all the details. Select star from account where account number is question mark. Account number is question mark. That is okay now. So here, what is that? We need to read the account number. Same story. Enter account number. Just reading and setting the value to this account number. Setting the value to this account number, to the question mark we are setting. Now, if you want to retrieve the details, it's not update. It is not execute update method. Execute query one method is there. Query only for retrieval. Select statement. Look at this. Return type is a result set. Is very, very important. Return type is a result set. ps.execute query. Return type is result set. Sir, what is this result set? Let me explain. You are retrieving the details now. You are retrieving the details. For example, this is the table. In the table, by giving the account number, you are getting the details of one record. One record is nothing but one object, details. It is not integer. Its account number is account holder name and balance in account. In case other details are there, everything will provide. Everything that you are collecting into a variable called RS. It's an object. It's a result set object. Sir, suppose here it is a three records are there. If you are giving the proper account number is okay. Suppose if I'm not giving the proper account number, if I give 104 then, if I give 104 then is not there na? Then it will be null value. Null. Sir, how can we check? In RS result set, if RS dot next means just wait, I lost the connection. Right. See here. So whenever you are calling ps.execute query, it will return the result set. Simply, if the information is there, suppose if the record is present, then it will return the true. Next method will check record is present or not. If not, directly it will come to the else block. True or false will be written. Suppose here only 3 records are present. If I'm looking for the 4th record which is not present, then next will give false. There is no such record, will give you this else. Directly giving the message. Error, no such record. Error, no such record. That is. Suppose if it is there, then you are printing the details. System.out.println name is, sir, how to display? rs dot get string of 2. Sir, why string? I'll explain. System.out.println balance is rs dot get int of 3. But sir, where is the 1? 1 is a number only. Number already we have given. Of course, in result set, account number, account holder name, balance, all the 3 are there. Number, name and balance, all the 3 are there. But if it is there, it will return true. But 1 not required. 1 already number we have given. Na? If you want to display, you can. Only name is a second column. Balance is a third column. Second column is a string. Third column is an integer. We are collecting accordingly. So we are executing this code. Running the application. And before that, we are checking in SQL. Select star from account. Suppose 4 records are there. I'm looking for the 5th record. 105 I'm giving. 105. Look at this. No such record error will get. No such record. Once again, I'm executing the code. Once again, I'm executing. Suppose I'm giving 103. The name is Harin. Balance is 5,000 given. Balance is 5,000 giving. That is. Got it? Is a simple way of displaying. See the 2 points you need to understand. If it is insert, update or delete, go with the method called execute update method. It will just return integer. Count it will return how many records updated. If it is retrieval select statement, you have to use execute query method first point. But it will not return just count. It will return the result set. Complete result set. Data it will return. Result set data. If it is present, okay. If else we are using. This is display record. Okay. Now, the next one is I just want to deposit the amount into account. Deposit operation, then followed by withdraw operation. First, again taking the new class deposit. Deposit I'm taking. The same story, necessary information, whatever required, I'm just collecting. See, every code I'm writing separately, you also practice in the same way. Multiple times you can write, no problem. So quickly in interview, you will write. Okay, and just copy paste. Here it is. Now I just want to deposit. Sir, first let me execute one query. I want to deposit some amount into this one, 500 rupees. How you update? Update set balance is equal to balance plus amount, nothing but 500, where account number is equals to question mark. That is 103. 103. Sorry, update account. This is the query na, update account set balance is equal to balance plus 500. Now here one question mark, here one question mark. Now the same query we are writing here. Deposit, update account, set balance is equal to balance plus how much amount you want to deposit. Where what is the account number, into which account number you want to deposit. First of all, we need to prepare the query. Then we ask, enter account number. We are collecting the number. Next one, enter deposit amount. How much amount you want to deposit. Enter deposit amount. Integer amount is equals to scan dot next integer. Here, one important point is first question mark is not account number. Please don't set like this. Everyone will make this mistake. Sir, we read number first, na? No problem in which order. You can read amount first. The question is, this is first question mark number 1. This is question mark number 2. For first question mark is the amount you have to set. For the second question mark is the account number you have to set. So here, amount you have to set, amount. For the second question mark, number you have to set. This is the one. Hope you got. Okay, now. Then same story, just call execute update. But see, if it is deposited successfully, sir, suppose account is not there, then it will fail. By the time count is 0. That's why if count is greater than 0, then only we can say that amount deposited successfully. Amount deposited successfully. Else, here it is, no such account to deposit. Every time, the second case also we need to consider. Simple. We are going to deposit means what? Update. But that update we are checking. Update account. We prepare the statement, reading account number and how much amount we need to deposit. Next, we are setting that amount first, number next. In the order we are setting, we call execute update method. So we are executing the query. Driver is ready. Same account number 105, 500 rupees, no such account to deposit. Because we already seen only 4 accounts are there. Now suppose into 103, 500 rupees I want to deposit. Once again, I'm executing this one. Into account number 103, 500 rupees I want to deposit. Look at this. Amount deposited successfully. So if I go there and check, look at this, 5,000 become 5,500 rupees. 5,500 rupees. That is. Just check for 1 minute. Okay. Next one. Withdraw amount. And this is important task. A very important task. Withdraw. Reason is what? Directly we cannot withdraw. Suppose account number they have given 103, but if they try to withdraw 7,000 rupees, directly if you write update statement, here it is 5,500 minus 7,000 minus 1,500 will give, that will store. So first we need to check the amount is present or not. If amount is present, then only we can update. If amount is not present, we cannot update. So it's a little long story. Okay, na? Right. Here it is a withdraw. Withdraw. That's it. Now the same story. Two things we are taking. Let me collect everything. Let me collect everything, whatever is required. Whatever is required. But here is a different story first. Different story. What is that? First story is not directly update. Not directly update. Got it? First of all, select query. Select balance from account where account number equals to question mark. Select balance from account where account number is question mark. It's a first query, query 1. We are passing query 1. Prepared statement 1. First we ask as usual, enter account number and how much amount you want to withdraw. Enter withdraw amount. First we are taking as usual, but not directly update query. First only balance we are checking. Select statement na result set. ps1 dot ps1 dot ps1 dot set integer, the number we are setting. For this one, we are just setting the account number. Okay. Then we are calling ps1 dot execute query. Execute query. ps1 dot execute query. You will get result set. Result set you will get. Here the question is, if really See, if really, see, for example, sir, account number is wrong. Withdraw amount is a later. First story is what? Right? If record is not there, directly here only you will get the error. Here only you will get the error. So this story later. Directly we can say that no such account to withdraw. No such account to withdraw. Directly I am telling. No sir, record is there. But what is the balance? Balance we are collecting na, is there inside. But remember here I am not writing star. Star means all you will get, all. But here it is not star. Balance. So here we are taking the balance. Integer balance is equal to rs dot get int of 1. Sir, why 1? Balance is actually third column na? Account number, account holder name, balance is a third column. But here you are not writing star. If you write star here, you use 3 here. I'm writing only balance. Directly balance will collect as a first. Directly balance it will collect as a first. Now we are checking if the balance is greater than or equals to amount. Okay. If you are trying to withdraw amount is greater than or equal to the balance, happy. Else account is there, but insufficient funds in account. Insufficient funds in account. That is. Sir, if balance is there, you can say that directly you can collect the cash. Collect the cash. But after that, you need to update now. You will release okay, but how you will update? One more query you need to write. One more query you need to write. Query 2. Query 2. Which query this is? Update query. Update account. Set balance is equal to balance minus amount where account number is question mark. It's PS2. Prepared statement 2. That we are setting. For prepared statement 2, first one is amount. Second one is a number. Second one is a number we are setting. This one is account and this is the number we are setting. Finally, we call execute update. Here it is a account successfully withdrawn. Account updated. Account updated successfully. That is. Got it? This is the way. This is the way. Okay, na? It's a simple one. First of all, we are reading as usual what is the account number and how much amount you want to withdraw. But first of all, we are checking how much balance is there in the account. It's a select query. So execute query method by setting the number to question mark. If record is not there, directly this else block, no such account to withdraw. No, if record is there, we are collecting the balance from the result set. If balance is greater than or equal to amount what we are looking for, just giving the message collect the cash, update the balance in database, update the balance. If it is fail, is a less balance means inner else execute insufficient funds. Look at this. The first one again I'm giving is a Again, I'm giving is a 105. Withdraw amount is a 3,000 rupees. No such account to withdraw because 105 is not there. Okay, now I am giving 104 or yeah, 104 I am giving, but 10,000 I want to withdraw. 10,000 I want to withdraw. Look at this. Insufficient funds because in account only 8,000 rupees are there. That message also you can display. Account has only balance. Okay. If you give properly, sir is a 102, 2,300 I withdraw. Collect the cash from account number 102, 2,300 rupees updated. Look at this. 7,000 become 4,700 rupees. 4,700 rupees. That is the way. Okay. This is how to perform withdraw operation. So practice all these things, but along with that, you need to write today one program. I'll share that video also in the YouTube and in the group. All operations, menu operations, while true condition is true. Multiple operations. One is for insert record. Two is for delete record. Three is for withdraw operation. Four is for display details. 5 is for deposit operation. 6 is for exit. All these things you need to do with the menu driven operation. Enter your choice. If choice is 1, insertion. Choice is 2, deletion. Choice is 3, withdraw. These type of menu driven programs we already written. The same kind of program. All operations you have to do with this one. I'll share the video in the group. Just go through that video and you have to do. Mostly in the tomorrow class. Transaction management I'll explain. How to register and how to check login details are correct or not. Because all these are we are using in the servlets concept. Within 2 days we will start the servlets concept. The same portion of things we will use in a servlets. Because suppose if you are developing the banking application, these are the operations only. First registration, then login, then performing all these operations. When they click on logout, the session will close. So that is what a banking project that we will do. Okay, you can leave.